Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that's been on everyone's mind. Is the Nextiva app free? Before we get into the answer, let's take a step back and talk about what the Nextiva app is. Nextiva is a cloud-based business phone system that offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling and texting, voicemail, conference calling, call forwarding, auto attendant, and much more. Nextiva is a great option for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to set up and use, and it's very affordable. Answer. So, is the Nextiva app free? The answer is no, the Nextiva app is not free. However, there is a free trial available, so you can try out the app and see if it's right for you before you commit to a paid plan. Nextiva pricing. Nextiva offers a variety of pricing plans to choose from. The most basic plan starts at $24.95 per user per month. This plan includes unlimited calling and texting, voicemail, and conference calling. If you need more features, you can upgrade to a higher-tiered plan. The most expensive plan starts at $49.95 per user per month. This plan includes all of the features in the basic plan, plus additional features such as call recording, call center functionality, and advanced analytics. Is the Nextiva app worth it? Whether or not the Nextiva app is worth it for you depends on your individual needs and budget. However, I think it's a great option for businesses of all sizes. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a variety of features that can help you improve your communication and productivity. I hope this video has answered your question about whether or not the Nextiva app is free. If you're considering using Nextiva, I highly recommend taking advantage of the free trial to see if it's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, if you're interested in learning more about Nextiva, please click on the link below. You can also leave a comment below with any questions you have. I would also love to hear from you if you have any other questions about business phone systems. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching.